Hello everyone, I'm Trace by Ibra and I just want to do like a short video in here. Like today is a bank holiday. It's a bank holiday and I wasn't willing to take any shots even though you can see this, but I just want to have a short video in here. Like I want to do this video for a purpose of something like you don't need to say that or be regretting when you didn't take this shot because it's a bank holiday and this plane is you wouldn't want to take this trade. Okay. So with that said, how they come with a short in here? This is silver XG and this is XAU XAK. So when why did I get this short? When look on this 4 hour, this is a 50 time frame. So let me change to 4 hour. So we go to this fair value gap in here with the 4 and the 4 hour fair value gap right here. When you look on to also with this, we don't have any fair value gaps in here, right? So okay, what are we gonna use? I looked onto some SMTs. Okay, took only some SMTs. It's like we got some SMTs. Where are the SMTs? When you look onto this Sunday, you can see here. So this is low and that low. This low and that low. This is not willing to move to the downside. That's why I wasn't willing to take any short. But since it is a holiday, we have hit this time frame and the open and candle, you know, your closings to the downside reaction of this. Now, seeing that price has traded into this fair value gap in here, only that doesn't mean that I'm gonna take a short. That price is gonna move to the downside because you know SMT is very bullish, right? In SMT very bullish. So that not this, this like Friday to Sunday. So that is the SMT to our deny, right? Just to make the chart messy. So we hit this fair value gap in here. Only that is that we're gonna taking a short, right? Okay, so we drop into the 15-minute time frame. So dropping in the into the minute time frame, this is that blue fair value gap that we got. So price consolidate around that, we hit that, start to move to the downside. When you look onto here, the New York Midnight Open was not retested also for the silver in here. So that is really important or crucial to us. That price not being retested, the New York Midnight Open not being retested. Okay, what next? What did I see next? Okay, price dropped. It is now bearish after hitting the midpoint of this 4-hour fair value gap. So it has to move to the downside. Okay, swing lows are being broken, right? Okay, I expect a move to the downside. Then consider which name. Or I expected a move to the downside. Okay, and a move is at the downside. Backwards inversion fair value gap. Okay, price doesn't need to come back to this inversion fair value gap if it's going to move to the upside. Ate we're looking onto silver in here. Silver in a fair value gap wakati ni waneno. Fair value gap wakati ni waneno. So that is also important. Price steady moving to the upside. It is weakening through, but it's not moving to the. It's not closing outside the fair value gap. Okay, the fair value gap is big. Is big. One gold. So with that, when you look onto this up close candle, I marked it here. Ningama price we're closing it down to this candle. Okay, I'm going short with this opening candle. You know, my stop is gonna be onto that high, aiming for 1 to 2. It was 16 to 26. So 26 was around the encroachment of this fair value gap. So but I could close my trade according to the day. Bank holiday. So there is no regret because this is not how it's gonna always be during the bank holidays. Sometimes it will consolidate, not move too much, but if it moved, well and good. So let it just give you more confidence. Be confident that this thing happens. So this point is enough for such days. So if you then take it, like don't need to regret, no need to, but let it build confidence in you. No understanding that it can happen. So it's not about like you should go, you're gonna take every move that you see, but it should create confidence. Say that when the conditions are into favor into favor, like you should take a trade, not into favor that price should do what you anticipate to do. Stay there. So this candle we considered in here when price here you're moving to the upside, but finally to have that down close candle to down close candle. Now this has to this taken like 1 hour, because if you enter the open of that candle to here, that's like 1 hour and 30 minutes. You could be out according to the day. 26 points could be enough according to the day. It's not a bad movement, not a bad entry. Stop loss there, certain. So the 15 time frame is where we find entry. I don't want to go to the lower time frames with these markets. With Nasdaq 100 and ES, it's not moving that much, but I won't make this video long. That's gonna be it for today. If you have a bank holiday and you just study the markets, and the market does what you anticipate to do, doesn't mean that the next time you should omenyeteka, like you abandon the discipline. Okay, but let it just build confidence that these things happen, because the entry is logical, right? I waited after this inversion favorable gap disrespected to the upside, then to the downside. We have been into a bearish trend, and within this silver price not moving to the is closing into this favorable gap. Okay, after this order block being created like this, I'm gonna open my trade in here and I'm gonna put my stop loss in here. It's logical, aiming for the new window open because it hasn't been retested since we opened. So that's gonna be my target, my first target, even before getting to the 1 to 2, right? So the entry is logical. So even if you took the trade on a bank holiday day, the entry is still logical, right? Yes, it's gonna be high resistance liquidity, right? Doesn't mean that it can't move, but since it is a Monday, and according to the situation, market changes in geopolitical situations, yeah, it could be some impactful in the opposite way. So I didn't want to put on any risk, since even on a hard time frame I was bullish, so I anticipated the price could come like this and move to the upside, or we could consolidate more, something like that. So let this just build your confidence, not to feel like you missed something. No, because if this happens more than what you think, it repeats. So this can't be like, oh, I missed a trade. No, let it build your confidence that okay, it is logical. It is the same logic I'm gonna use into another day or into any session I'll be trading. Okay, it is logical. It is logical, right? So that's gonna be it for this. I want to open Nasdaq. Oh yes, okay. Just say, but sorry. Yes, it's just like that. Yes, just like that. Anyways, I won't make it a long video. Anyways, just like that. This is gonna be it for this video, and let us catch back into the next video. Just bye, bro.